We are here in Walnut today. We just completed a beautiful glass railing on this pool deck. This is a house with a beautiful view out here, and owner did not want to obstruct it in any way. We came here and did all this specialized L line with the top railing. Everything came out absolutely gorgeous. As you can see, flawless. All the glass fits beautifully. We had to do some special cutting and fitting in this curved area here, which came out really nice, and it goes all the way to the end here. The customer was very patient. This job took a few days due to some special order pieces that we had to do, but at the end, everybody's satisfied. We're satisfied that it came out so flawless. Here is Bill and Anita, his wife. What do you think, Bill? What do you think about the job?
Harut and Giovanni and the company did a fantastic job. We're really happy with it that we went with him. Waited a long time because all kinds of issues, not the company, but because of the situation but they did a great job. We're totally satisfied with it. I recommend anybody to use them at any time.
Thank you, Bill. Thank you, Anita. Thank you for being patient. Also, I know we had some COVID hang-ups and hold-ups or whatever, but at the end of the day, I told you you would be satisfied, and I'm glad you are.
Yeah,
Thank you for doing such a good job. We appreciate that.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you, guys. Thank you. Okay, guys, over and out from Mulholland Brand. See you on the next beautiful project.